Hi guys, it's 11:15 p.m. on September 16, 2025. At around 3 p.m., hindi man a few hours, pero about 15 hours from now, the speaker would have already announced his resignation as the Speaker of the House. I have a smile on my face because he did the most noble thing that anyone could possibly do. Because for somebody na sinisiraan nyo, who clings on to power, as you say, na masyadong lasing sa kapangyarihan, kapitoko dahil cousin siya ng presidente, siya po yung nag-resign. Hindi ho siya political maneuvering na kung sinong senador, hindi ho siya political maneuvering ng Malacanang, hindi ho siya political maneuvering ng kahit na sino man, even in Congress, because the Congress leaders did not want him to resign. But the speaker, being who he is, decided to. And even welcomed without as much as intrigue, walang kahit anumang sinabi, he welcomed Congressman Bogie D to take his place as the Speaker of the House. And dyan na naman namatay ang narrative nyo na kayo-kayo lang ang nagpapaniwala. Yung narrative nyo na masyadong strong ang mga Duterte para palitan si Speaker. No po, si Speaker po yung umalis. And at the end of the day, that's his choice. His alone. It's not a maneuvering because he was not ousted. Hindi po siya pinalitan. Malamang may palit talaga sa kanya kasi siya yung umalis. And my support to him will not change. Natatawa lang ako kasi kasabay, 'di ba, ng kanyang pag-alis, yung sa inyo naman na pinagpipilit nyo, yung videos ko from 2022. Another announcement I want to make clear. As of August 1, 2025, I already filed my annulment for my husband. Yes, mga mommy. After 15 months, I decided to let go. I decided that it wasn't for me and Tony, so I left. So nakakatawa kayo if you're gonna expect me to still honor what I said in 2022 when I even annulled my husband after 15 months of marrying him just last year. So tigil-tigilan niyo ako niyan. Because I'm not staying in the same place that you expect me to stay. Because growth, just like death, just like taxes, is constant. If you do not grow because you're still blindly following, supporting a politician, that's you. But you don't expect me to stay loyal to a politician when I didn't even stay loyal to my husband and left him after 15 months. Am I clear? Kasi yan kasi yung ugali talaga siguro ng mga matatalino. Yan ang ugali siguro ng mga tao katulad ni Speaker na pag ayaw, ayaw na. So paano na naman yan? Yung narrative nyo hindi na naman nagwagi. Naisahan na naman kayo. Ha? 'Di ba? Sinasabi niyong korap, pero siya yung may sabi na imbestigahan siya. Walang problema. Ngayon, bumaba bilang speaker. Para yung investigasyon, laban na. Kasi para wala na rin kayong masabi na tinatago niya yung mga baho niya kasi speaker siya at hindi siya pwedeng imbestigahan. Nope, not anymore. But even then, it won't change. Because even if the House Speaker is no longer House Speaker and he's just the Congressman of the 1st District of Leyte, Congressman Martin Romualdez, the work continues. Because the work never stopped. 3 seats pa din na naman ang tingog. Di ba? Sa susunod na naman ng malaking sunog o sakuna, mauuna na naman kami katulad ng nauna kami sa Happy Land sa sunog sa Tondo. 6 a.m. natapos yung sunog. By 3 p.m., nag-serve na po kami ng hot meals to 3,000 families. How would I know that? I was just in Manila. I just flew in. Diba? Kasi at the end of the day, hindi nyo kasi pwedeng diktahan ang mga tao na hindi katulad nyong obob. Kaya for people like you na hindi ako gusto, it's so ironic, hindi nyo kami gusto ni Speaker, pero pag hindi kami ang pinag-uusapan nyo, wala kayong audience at wala kayong kita sa Meta. At hindi kayo makakakain ng masarap kung hindi naman kami ang topic nyo. Because your lives are so uneventful. And when I am being honest, kahit hindi ko naman iniinsulto si VP Sara, nagagalit kayo. I'm just being honest. If my honesty makes her look bad, I'm just sharing facts. I'm not making it up. And if I said that I'm not gonna support her, it's not insulting her. It's just being honest that I will not support her. And it's just the same way that you are repeating and repeating and repeating things that I've said in the past. Honey, if you are not growing, it doesn't mean I will stop as well. Am I clear? Is this clear? So, ayun. Inunahan ko na kayo. Ayan. It's 11:22 na. And I'm making this video bago pa kasi marami na nagchat-chat. And of course, ayoko naman din na insultuhin si speaker. I would want him to give his formal announcement because that's what he deserves. Ang akin lang, gusto ko lang talagang pangunahan or ayusin na naman ang mga chika nyo na namang gawa-gawa galing sa mga puwet nyo. Diba? Sa inyo na yung power, babe. Sa inyo na yung kapangyarihan, mami. Because sa mga taong katulad ni speaker, that has always been his own person. Kaya nga sa kanya ako, sumusuporta. Because the person that you describe is the person that reflects who you are. Because that's nothing like the person that I know. And I have worked with since 2022. Okay? Sana klaro yan. And yung sinabi nyo, and may isang sinabi talaga na natawa ko, na supporter lang daw ako ni PRRD when it was convenient. Where was it convenient for me and my son na libreng alipustahin, insultuhin, gamitin, at i-risk ang mga buhay namin sa suporta namin sa kanya? So siguro naman may right kaming umayaw sa mga anak niya. So don't tell me it was convenient because it never was. Because di nawala ang suporta ko kay PRRD. Dahil siya lang naman talaga ang naging mabait, mabuti at respectful sa akin. Okay? Just the same way that the speaker is now. Dahil kayong mga nabibili ng pera, kayo yan. Kaya namamahid kayo. Dahil nabibili kayo. Nabibili nga kayo ng chismis na libre, di ba? Nakakahaka lang. Di ba? Hindi ako ganun eh. Kabaitan lang. Okay na ako. So since si PRRD lang naman ang mabuti sa akin, kaya hanggang ngayon mahal ko siya. And I pray for him in the same breath that I pray for the speaker. And right ko yan. Huwag kayong mandikta. Kung kayo sanay-sanay kayo, kung sang kayo, na dinidiktahan pati pag-utot nyo, kayo yan. Pero kaming walang pake, we'll stand right where we are away from you. Unaffected by dust particles like you. Kasi 'di ba gusto nyong ipahiwatig na ang gulo ng Pilipinas? Hindi magulo ang Pilipinas, kayo lang. Pag inoff yung cellphone, babay na kayong lahat na maiingay. Simple. 'Di ba? Magulo sa inyong mata? Hindi magulo ang Pilipinas, mami. Kayo lang 'yan. Because once I turn this video off, once I sleep for the night, you're all forgotten. People who are worth nothing are easy to forget. Klaro ba yan, mga be? Ingat!